In this video, I'll show you how to open an Etsy shop. Start by signing into your Etsy account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account and log in. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sell on Etsy. After that, click Open your Etsy shop to begin the setup process. Now choose your shop language, country, and preferred currency, then click Save and Continue. Next, enter your shop name. Make sure it's unique and follows Etsy's naming guidelines. After that, create your first product listing by uploading photos, entering a title, description, category, price, quantity, and shipping information. Now review your listing and make any necessary adjustments before continuing. Next, add your payment details so Etsy can deposit your earnings into your bank account. After that, verify your identity if Etsy requests additional information. Depending on your country, you may need to provide a government-issued ID and other business details. Now enter your billing information so Etsy can charge your seller fees. Finally, review all your shop settings and click Open your shop to publish your Etsy store and begin selling. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open an Etsy shop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.